Hey guys, send this to a cousin, sibling, or a friend. But before you send it to them, if they reply with the word fidget, that means they watch your videos. If they reply or don't reply, if they reply with another thing, that means they don't watch your videos. Or if they don't even reply, that means they don't watch your videos either. So yeah, send this to your cousin, sibling, or friend. Bye!